Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can cancel an order on Shopify. So firstly, go to your admin panel and then click on orders. And now before starting, there are only two ways how you can cancel an order. The first way is if you haven't received the payment and you want to cancel the order. So that's one way of cancelling an order. And the other method is if the payment is captured but you're completely sold out. In that case, you can also cancel your order. So now let me show you how you can actually cancel your order. So firstly, open up the order that you want to cancel by clicking on the order number. Then simply go to more actions. Then click on cancel order. Now over here you will find two options: refund manually or refund later. So for me, I will just simply go with refund $5 right now, meaning manually. Then in the next option is restock items, meaning by checking this option, the item that you just sold or shipped will automatically be restocked in your inventory. So that's what it does. You can just simply check or uncheck the option. It's up to you. The next option is the reason for cancellation. Now you can just simply choose a reason for the cancellation. I think for me, I will just go with other. And then in the last column, if you want to send a notification to your customer, you can just simply check the box, or you can just simply uncheck the box. For me, I'll just simply check it and then cancel order. And the order is now cancelled. So that's it. That's how you can cancel an order in Shopify. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel.